The first step is to open Cetec ERP and click Sales. Click Orders. Click Batch List. Click Create New Batch. Search for the orders you want to batch log time to. In this case, I am selecting 2 lines from a blanket order. Both of my lines are added. Now I can click Create Batch. Click Submit. Scroll down and find your batch, or filter the list for your batch. Click the pencil icon to bring up the Edit Order Batch screen. Here you can pick parts in one place for all orders, start and stop work for orders, or change the location of the work orders at once. Click Pick Parts. Pick quantities are assigned to order lines based on the following priority: oldest work start date, oldest order entry date, and lowest order line ID, lowest line level. Click Update. Choose the Change Status to drop-down menu to change the order locations. Click Move Orderlines. Click Start Work. Here you can either start work on all order lines, or add time and close at once. Go to the work order history. Here you can see that the hour I logged split a half hour to each order line.